Hello beautiful people. On today's video we're going to be going through some of the outfits that I think I'm going to be wearing on my trip to London. I am so excited, so let's get into it. Some things I'm definitely bringing are this denim skirt, another skirt, this one's great to have, also a pair of denim shorts. We're going to be there for a few days, so I'm probably also going to pack a black pair as well. So those three things definitely going to be wearing a ton of in rotation. Okay, first outfit, I'm actually wearing the top right now, and the shoes, and the shorts that I just showed you. I also paired it with a button down. When it comes to the summer, especially on vacation, a button down, at least two, are always good to have just because you can wear them throughout the day, you can wear them at night, you can wear them to the beach. So many different options for a button down, especially if it just gets cold at night, you have that option to wear, and it always looks cute. So the button down is from Urban Outfitters. The tank top is Free People, the shorts are Abercrombie, and then the shoes are Just Fab. All this is going to be linked to the best of my ability in the description below. The next outfit is with the maxi skirt I always talk about, and I paired it with this tank top. I actually got it from TikTok Shop from the brand, but that is the tank top I paired it with. And then I also did it with these boots. These boots I feel like are just going to be a good pair to have on the trip just because I can wear them multiple ways. That is the next outfit I'm thinking of wearing. Okay, so the denim skirt that I just showed, I paired it with this tank top, and it is from Abercrombie. I think I got it last year or 2 years ago, but they still sell something that's similar, so I'll link it below. This is in a size extra small, and this is just a casual, fun outfit that I can wear walking throughout the town, exploring, and then I can also wear this for like brunch or when we're going out to dinner. It's just a good outfit, and it's cute. So that is the next one. I forgot, I also paired it with Puma sneakers. This just adds a fun pop of color. You can also do it with some white sneakers or any other sneaker that you love, but I know I'm going to be walking a ton, so this is just a good casual outfit that's also cute. For a night out on the town, I paired this cider dress that I talk about a lot with a cardigan that I put over my shoulder, and then once it does get cold at night, I actually put it on. And then I paired it with these flat silver ballet shoes that I'm wearing. But it's just a light dress, and if it's extremely hot, I feel like it'll be very flowy. And I have the option, if it does get cold, to put that cardigan on. Another night out on the town outfit. This is a dress that I got from Urban Outfitters. I want to say last year or 2 years ago. That's always my guess, is last year or 2 years ago. And I paired it with those boots that I just shared. This is just an easy outfit. This one is really simple, and I can just throw on the dress and not worry about anything else. If it's a hot day or we're going to brunch, this is a good outfit to wear as well. I don't know if I would wear this on a day that we'd be exploring and walking a lot, just because I don't know how comfortable the shoes are just yet for an entire day. I've worn them for a few hours and they've been great, but walking around in different areas of a city, I'm not sure they're the best for that yet. So that is unsure. And then lastly, for another outfit that's more fun and good for maybe like a day to night, I put this Hollister dress. I don't know if I actually talked about this one yet on here, but I've purchased this dress. It also comes in red, so I have both. It has cups in the inside. This is a size extra small, and I purchased it a few months ago when I was going on a trip away with friends, and it's just been a good piece to have in my closet that I can wear for various occasions. I've paired this with a denim jacket, I've paired this with a cardigan, I've worn it just as is, so this is just an option that I think I'm going to bring just in case I have a backup. And again, I pair it probably with those boots that I described earlier, and maybe even the flats that I'm wearing if I'm feeling something else, but that is the last thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Obviously, I'm also going to bring, like yoga pants, workout clothes, those types of things. But these are the outfits that I pre-planned that I definitely think I'm going to wear on the trip. I've been before, but I went actually in the fall, and it was a completely different season and temperature. So I'm really excited to explore the city in a brand new season that I've never been. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you want. No pressure at all. And everything to the best of my ability will be in the description below. Have a great day or week or whenever you're watching this. Bye!